Well, I have decided to upgrade my desktop PC. I haven't upgraded since March of 2012, which is a very long time for me. I usually upgrade in the past about every 6 to 12 months. So this is the longest I've gone without actually upgrading. And I'm going from the AMD FX 6100 CPU, which is a 6-core processor, to the Ryzen 7 1700, which is an 8-core processor. And I'm upgrading, of course, to DDR4 RAM, 3000 megahertz. Eventually, I think I'm going to add another 16 gigabytes. So that's the memory there. This is Corsair's Vengeance LPX, 16 gigabytes DDR4, 3000 megahertz. And of course I got some thermal paste. I haven't got the motherboard yet. I expect that tomorrow. We had a snowstorm last week and that's pretty well snarled deliveries. The CPU was supposed to be here I think on Thursday, and it didn't get here until today, which is a Sunday. So this is the Ryzen 7 1700. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what comes with it. So there's the CPU. Looks like a regular CPU. Nothing else there in the box. And this is the Wraith cooler, heatsink and cooling fan. I think this is probably the largest heatsink and fan I've ever had. And there's my 16 gigabytes of DDR4 Corsair Vengeance. So hopefully I will get the motherboard by tomorrow and I'll be able to get this system going. So that's the AMD Ryzen 7 1700 with the Wraith cooler and 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3000 megahertz memory.